Since the war began, drones have become an integral part of the IDF's operational use. Identifies armed enemies or explosive and booby traps, drones are playing a significant role in every mission. Therefore, at the beginning of the war, we decided to open the IDF Tactical Drone Unit. The unit has two roles, one operational and the other as a drone school. Many soldiers completed our drone course, and it saved countless lives during the war.
הפכנו את זה לבית ספר שהוא בלבל מאוד מאוד גבוה מבחינת התכנים שלו.
יאללה, במקום זה. טוב, אתם חפים. במקום זה אתה מתחיל סריקה.
Now you have the opportunity to take this drone course too. Bonding, educational, unique, meaningful, and mostly fun experience that you won't find anywhere else. Our team of drone experts will train and teach you to fly the drones like a professional IDF soldier. We will do unique missions as a team, and we will have interesting presentations and demonstrations by the instructors. We can also invite a K9 unit soldier with his dog for another unique activity.